Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Grundig wireless power bank with capacity 5000 mAh, transparent, compatible with MagSafe. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manuals, Type A to Type C cable. The length it is 20 cm. We have this ring. If your smartphone is not MagSafe compatible, you can install this ring here at your smartphone's case and you can make it MagSafe, as we can see for my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I like the transparent look, it looks amazing. We can see around the magnets, the wireless charging copper around here, the logo Grundig magnet here, the circuit. Looks so cool. Type-C port, and we have 5 LED indicators here near the Type-C port. It is slim, definitely it can fit anywhere, at your pocket, wherever you want. You can use the cable for charging, plug in, and there it is, it's charging, it's near fully charged. If you want to charge your smartphone from the Type-C port, use your smartphone's cable, Type-C, S24 Ultra, charging 3%, and I need another 3 hours and 14 minutes until fully charged. That is a long time. Let's try with the wireless charging. Wireless charging, 3% the battery, 5 hours 27 minutes until fully charged. That is a very long time. I don't like it. Let's try with the iPhone. Obviously it's charging. With the iPhone I can see how long it will charge the smartphone. Let's see. Okay, the magnet is very strong. Nice. Oh, it says here 45 minutes to 80%. Okay. But for my S24 Ultra, I don't like the time. Let's see if we can charge the iPhone from the Type-C port. Why not? Yep, it's charging. 38%, 43 minutes to 80%. Okay. It's not a fast charging power bank. If you value a slim profile over massive capacity, the answer is a definite yes. It's the perfect emergency pack that doesn't feel like you are carrying a literally brick attached to your phone. The MagSafe connection is snappy and secure, and while 5000 mAh won't give you 3 full charges, it's exactly what you need to get from 10% back into the safety zone.